Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. Hello, my name is Faisal Khan, CEO and founder of voicebootcamp.com. In this series of self-study kit of unified contact center enterprise scripting, I'm going to talk about network VRUs. Network VRU or VRU is a voice response unit, which is basically a logical connection from the UCCE to the IP/IVR server. Now, this voice response unit is also known as IVR, that plays a pre-recorded announcement response to caller enter digit and touchtone. UCCE or ICM routing script can divert a call to a network VRU either to further call treatment or to when an agent is not available. It can instruct the VRU, such as the IVR, to perform specific tasks, such as asking the caller to enter a digit, play an announcement, or whatnot. When you need to queue a call because there is no agent available, you will send the calls to VRU. Remember, the UCCE server itself cannot queue a call, nor it can provide a VRU IVR service. It can be done by only VRU system. Now, when we configure VRU in UCCE, we must define a VRU type. VRU type basically dictates how the VRU instructions will be sent to the actual VRU device. Now, currently called UCCE supports VRU 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and number 10. Now, each one of these VRU type has different instructions that can be used to construct a packet, and also different based on the type, you have to use different type of script node to use, such as send to VRU or translate to VRU. Type 2, which is a network VRU at a customer premise in a NAM environment. A type 2 VRU is connected to the ICM and not at the NAM. And IP/IVR, type 2 is connected to ICM and IP/IVR. So in this case, to send the calls to such type of VRU, we will use translation route to VRU. Type 3, which is a network VRU connected to NAM, where there is a separate routing client that controls the connection to VRU. Use this type rather than type 7 when routing client can automatically take a call back. Now remember, call manager or certain routing clients may not be able certain call